How to create OKRs in Rally. In this video, you will learn how to create an objective in Rally and add key results to it. Your workspace admin must assign the OKR admin role to you before you can create, edit, or delete objectives. To begin, select the Objectives page from the Portfolio Items menu. From the Objective drop-down list, select the Objective Hierarchy level for the new objective. Objective hierarchy levels are defined by your administrator and are unique to your organization. They range from the highest level objective to the lowest level. Select Add New. Enter a name for the objective, and remember that objectives should be qualitative. For example, this objective, which is to improve business user support, is a qualitative statement as it conveys a desire to improve a key service. Enter a start date and a target date. This is where you will identify the time frame for the objective. The time frame that you use should be short enough to allow for evaluation and adaptation of the key results. Select Create with Details. You have the option to change the default values for the owner, projects, and color. Enter a description for your objective in the description field. If this objective is a child of a larger objective, select a parent objective. Enter the current state of the objective. Then, enter a confidence score. A confidence score is a qualitative value that expresses your belief in the organization's ability to achieve the objective. Score each objective using a value ranging from 0 to 1. For example, a value of 0.4 displays as a 40% confidence rate. You should revisit your confidence score frequently to ensure that the score captures any changes caused by external factors and how you feel about accomplishing the objective. When you have finished entering all your desired information, select Create. Once the objective has been created, it's time to add key results. Key results are quantitative, and as a best practice, you should add 2 to 5 key results for each objective. Select Add Key Result. Summarize your key results in the name field, and when you are finished adding them, select Create. In the Target Values section, enter the starting and final target values for the metric that you are tracking for your key result. The starting and final target values cannot be the same. In this example, we're using a 1 to 100 scale, but you can use values that better represent your metrics. Or use a scaled value that makes you better able to see progress towards your goals. Your key results help your organization maintain focus on the objective. Associating too many key results with your objective may indicate that your objective is not focused enough. In this example, you can see how these key results are quantitative in nature. By giving them a specific and measurable numerical value, you are able to see exactly when success is achieved. Select Save. In order to better facilitate the tracking of OKRs, Rally has added interim targets. Interim targets are dates between the start date and the end date for the OKR. You can add a maximum of 30 interim targets. The Key Results page displays the progress made on the key results in a graphical format. Use the Update Actuals option to update the graph if you want to make any modifications to the actual value of your key results. We just looked at how to add a strategic objective and add key results to it. Let's see an example of creating a team objective and adding key results. The process of creating objectives at different levels is the same, but as you get into the lower levels, such as team objectives, the objectives and key results will naturally be more granular. Congratulations! Now you understand how to create objectives in Rally and add key results.